Life is beautiful, but it's also war against malaria. Like a deadly monster that it is, malaria can strike at any time with mosquito bites, breathing, fever, shivering, headaches, vomiting, and other symptoms. But we can draw the line. It fights back against malaria and win the war.
Let's go.
Go for a test. If you have symptoms that look like malaria as preventive measure, clear away all stagnant water area around your home where mosquito breeds to attack you. Also sleep inside insecticide-treated nets every night to stop mosquito bites. Finally, use the effective weapon of artemisinin-based combination therapy to finish malaria. Together, we can defeat malaria. Zero malaria starts with me.